Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's the goal of these dedicated volunteers as they fill bags to feed hungry students in our area.
Most of these kids are food insufficient, so that means that they're relying on the school to get their breakfast and their lunch. So this is the food that helps them get through the weekend.
The Weekender Backpack Program meets once a month here in DC Hall to help hungry students right here in our community. Applesauce, fruit cups, and cereal bars are among the items donated by parishioners or purchased with cash donations.
You know, we couldn't have the program without the food. So our volunteers are critical, not only the volunteers that you see here today, but as well as people that volunteer financial contributions.
Volunteers are needed every month. You can sign up on the Weekender Backpack Sign-Up Genius. You can also drop off a financial contribution to the church office, donate online through Faith Direct, or with Venmo.